Assalamualaikum and greetings everyone. My name is Muhammad and I will be talking to you about the introduction of Gauss elimination. What is Gauss elimination? Gauss elimination is a powerful method in linear algebra for solving system of linear equations and finding the solution to linear systems. It is named after the mathematician Carl Friedrich Gauss. This method is widely employed in various fields such as engineering, physics, computer science, and economics. The primary goal of this Gauss elimination is to transform a system of linear equations into an equivalent, simpler form that is easier to solve. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Muhammad Farisufi bin Ishamuddin. So I will continue our presentation with Gaussian elimination theory. So Gaussian elimination is a method used to solve system of linear equation by transforming their augmented matrix into a simpler and more unstable form. The technique is named after the mathematician Carl Friedrich Gauss, although similar methods were independently developed by other mathematicians. In the mathematics, the Gaussian elimination method is known as the row reduction algorithm for solving linear equation system. It consists of a sequence of operations performed on the corresponding matrix of coefficient.
Okay, to explain the formula for Gauss elimination, I will use simple equation, that is 2x plus 3y equals to 13, the first equation, and 2x plus y equals to 7, the second equation. Write this equation in metric form. Then we can proceed to first step, that is make a21 value become 0 by using this formula. a21 minus a11 open bracket a21 divide a11 close bracket equals to 0. Then put the new value in metric form. Then write the new equation using this formula. a11 times x plus a12 times y equals to b1, and a21 times x plus a22 times y equals to b2. And lastly, find the value of x and y.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Saifullah bin Muhammad Syahruddin. I will tell you about formula of Gauss elimination. As we can see in the slide, there are three example equation. So for Gauss elimination, first we must change the equation to the metric form. So go to the step 1. For step 1, we must make sure a21 value becomes 0. We can use this formula. Just put the value, refer to the slide, and then put new value in the metric form. For step 2, we must make sure a31 value becomes 0 using this formula too. Just put the new value in the metric form after that. For step 3, we must make sure a32 value becomes 0 using this formula too. Just put the new value in the metric form. After that, we must find the value of x, y, and z using this formula too. Then we done.
Okay, let's see for the example question of Gauss elimination. Here we have two equations. The first equation is 2x plus 3y equal to 13, and the second equation is 2x plus y equal to 7. What we have to do first is write this equation into a matrix. The first step is make a21 0. As you can see here, after the calculation, we get the value of A21 as 0, and A22 is negative 2, B2 will be negative 6. So next we have to find the value of x and y. As you can see here, we already calculated and we got the value of y as 3 and x equal to 2. So to find out the value of y and z is correct, we have to put the value of x and y in any of the equations we have. So it will be 2x plus 3y equal to 13. So we replace the x and y with 2 and 3. So it will be 2 times 2 plus 3 times 3 equal to 4 plus 9, which will be 13. That means the value of y and x that we found is true.
So as you can see, our A21 is equals to 0, A22 equals to 1, A23 equals to 3, B2 equals to negative 5. As you can see in the next slide, in order for us to continue the step 2, which is let A31 to be 0. So now our A31 will be 0, A23 will be replaced with negative 1 according to the formula, A33 equals to negative 2, B3 equals to 3. In order for us to continue the step 3, which is let A32 to be 0. So now our A32 equals to 0. So we will need to use the formula for us to find A33 and also B3. So now our A33 will be 1, B3 will be 5. So as you can see, our x, after we count, the x is equals to 52, y equals to negative 20, z equals to 5. In order to check our value xyz is correct or not, we will need to put the value into the equation. So x is 52 plus 3, y is equals to negative 20 plus 2, 2z, z is our 5. So after we calculate the equation, the answer is equals to 2. That means the value that we found, x, y, and z is correct.
In conclusion, the Gauss elimination method offers several advantages. It is algorithmic, ensuring a step-by-step procedure that leads to a clear and concise solution. The method is applicable to various systems of linear equations, making it a versatile tool in mathematical and engineering application. However, it's crucial to note that the method may encounter challenges such as division by zero or numerical instability in certain cases. Despite these potential drawbacks, Gauss elimination remains a fundamental and widely used technique for solving linear systems, providing a solid foundation for understanding more advanced numerical methods in linear algebra.